Get off me, dog.
Isaac, how does it work, Isaac?
Up your bicycle.
It'll hold me?
Dude, it's got you.
He tore it up. Tore up.
What
No,
you?
it's not.
Dude, I missed it. I was looking up. Do it again. Do another flip.
Yeah.
See Isaac go pew.
Backflip.
Show me how it's done, Isaac.
All right, you get in there and shoot him up like you know how you double bounce kind of.
No, popcorn seriously.
Weight capacity won't hold you.
No, it's got you. I helped build this thing. It's solid as a rock.
Gotta hop off for a second.
Okay.
Yeah, move. Get the kids out of the way for.
It's not going to be cool if I fly over the wall.
What's
Do
my
I
shoe?
just sit here?
Yeah, just sit down.
What's my shoe?
What's the weight capacity on this?
You're good. You're good.
Water trampoline. You better not get me wet.
Oh, dude.
Dude, I got a video camera right here. What are you doing?
Water trampoline.
Dude, you're getting my camera wet. Quit.
Whoa, what's about to happen, man?
Nothing. It's just popcorn. I just bounce you up.
You come back to your
Get
feet.
in the middle. All right, here we go.
Popcorn. Yeah, this is YouTube material tonight.
All right, see how high I get on this thing.
Oh.
I'm gonna get my feet above the top.
No, you ain't.
Yeah. All right, stand over there, boy. My feet are going above the top. Hey, Leo!
Are you doing it by yourself?
Leo!
Like that policeman and that biker. Good night. All right, get up there. I got you on video now. Get. You can't get up that high.
Backflip. Backflip.
Okay, did you just come to exercise?
Yeah.
That ain't no back.
Dude, it was. Front flip.
Yeah, I'm trying to hold it down right now.
Get off me, dog.
Side dive.
Yeah, that was
I'm gassed.
No budget! Get away!
Kid bounce.
You popcorn me.
Yeah, popcorn the kid. See if you get him out of that thing.
Yeah, I come back on my feet.
Literally.
Can't do that?
Literally.
Just go on your back and jump forward. Just go back.
Yeah. Just go back, he says. Just go back.
He doesn't understand the weight distribution of a bigger man.
Dude, why is the dog eating Germ-X?
Dude, get Jones in here. Get Jones in here with us.
They dropped the Germ-X. The dog's eating the Germ-X and they dropped.
It fell off over here. I laid all my stuff up here.
The dog's eating
Hey,
Germ-X.
get Jones in here. Tag me out.
I can't, dude.
Okay, then let's watch mine.
Alright, you two little ones are in. 3.
I think I can get out.
Let us out first.
Okay, guys.
Got to make the hole bigger.
Okay.
Oh my!
All right, guys, I'll let you
How
come
many
in
kids?
first.
Was your wife running a babysitting service
A
now?
lot.
The lady that's pulling in for her
Ah,
bought her
kick.
ticket.
Get up. Shoot.
Popcorn!